There's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, you're going to ride a wheelchair lift that goes from here to there, here in Building A of Kishwaukee College in Malta, Illinois. Now, last time I was here, this thing was out of order. It looks like they finally fixed it. So with that said, take you on a ride. And we seem to have a Concord. I just want to read that information. Here's a culvert for the bottom landing. See, it lights up too. So now we're going to get in the lift and take it for a spin. Alright, here we go. So as you can see, it travels up a very long distance. It took like 5 hours to get from there to there, but we finally made it. And from here, we'll take it back down. And now we're back down at the bottom. Get a little cat view of this lift. Not very big, but since it's only meant for people who are in mobility, since it's meant for people that are in need of this lift, you shouldn't really expect much from it. Anyways, here's the main control panel. Do your stop, switch, and alarm. I'll just want to read this, as well as this inspection certificate here. Some inspection certificate at least. And here's where the actual inspection certificate would theoretically go, but in this case, it's not in this lift. It's apparently in that room right there, A1317. Not sure why I just clicked it too, but yeah. Oh, I just had to press the down button. Over a short time period. The lift seems to lock on a landing for security reasons. But yeah, that was this wheelchair lift. I'm glad they finally got it working again. So that's gonna wrap it up with the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and that's it.